Qua I actress na Bhutan ban yo da usamla ubana shillong. Yang ni pej menta ya ka ka ba I ikren.
Before I leave Shillong, I want to make a boyfriend from Shillong. So, are you single? I can take you maybe. But it was a wonderful experience. I ate a lot of delicious food. I went sightseeing to the museums, and I did also shopping as well. So it was very nice. Thank you so much for having me. And I wish all the best to Meghalaya for next year. May you come back with more films, more partnerships, more collaborations, and more success.
Now I can hear you. Wait, I'm going to take this out because I'm more comfortable this way. My name is Yangde, and thank you so much for the introduction. The only reason he's saying this because I promised him I'll marry him and take him to Bhutan. So he's just like super excited, and that's why he's saying all these wonderful things, okay? And but I'm so sorry. I already promised Madam Lucky that I'll marry her son. So yeah. One thing that came about from me coming here is I got married 2 times. And if there are any bachelors, handsome, tall man, you can call me after tonight, after the speech, you can come to me. Anyways, I really want to thank the film festival for having me here. The moment I stepped here, it was just full of energy, noise, and it was overwhelming at times, but the good kind of overwhelming, you know, the energy that gets you going and makes you think. I would really like to thank my volunteer Meg, who has been hanging out with me the whole day. She's like, are you okay? Do you need water? Do you need something? And I'm like, can I take you back to Bhutan and have you obsess over me every single day? I would also like to thank Anjali. We met yesterday, and I found a soul sister, you know. I think even if you're from different countries, we have similar values, and when we were talking, we kept on smiling and sharing about ideas and stories, and it's really inspiring to see fellow women be artistic and talented and recognized and just be out there. So it goes for you. And also my friend from Vietnam, she and we've been hanging out the whole day yesterday, and we planned to party hard and drink beer, but it couldn't happen because we were too busy with the film festival. But tonight, we get drunk. It's happening. It's also an honor to be in front of Sanjay Mishraji. I've seen you, oh my God, in so many films. And it's literally, it's like, I can't believe I'm in front of you right now. It's amazing. Can you call me after tonight and maybe we can go on a date or something? I don't know. Ignore your wife. Anyways, I got a small gift for maybe Circuit Ripani. Get it? I got a small gift for Bhutan. It's actually, I don't promote alcoholism, but it's wine. And this is just a small token of appreciation from my mom and I. Last but not the least, I want to say this, that the reason I'm here is because of love. Love. I wanted to find love in Shillong, for the love of movies, for the love of traveling, for the love of people. And the reason why we make films is because we love making films. Even though when we don't make any money, when no one recognizes you, when you don't get any work, your writing doesn't get any appreciation, you still go on and continue because you love it and it's your passion and you breathe film. That's why you do it. And I'm really glad that I'm here, and I would like to encourage each and every one of you in this hall to keep doing what you love, because love will get you there. I know it's very cheesy, but love will get you there. And for the love of filmmaking, thank you so much for having me here, and all the best, Meghalaya, for next year. Next year, please call me. I mean, next year, who knows, I can get my second husband. We never know.